guys, so I wanted to set up my Superior Labor leather tool holder with you and see what I'm going to pack to keep in my handbag with me as a go-to little creative, at least for the week, maybe longer. I'll see how I'm enjoying that. So let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life. So I'm just going to figure out what I'd like to take along with me. Now I have some of my Kaweco fountain pen. Sorry, I was thinking, drawing a blank on that. And also the Midori light little notebook insert. Grid, it's super cute, a little clip. So when I'm jotting or drawing, or I'm hoping when I have those little ideas and things, I can jot them down or kind of draw out what I'm thinking about. And so nice to have a little something with me, and I can clip my pages. And these are the little clips that I always talk about getting at Starbucks on their reserve coffee. And so I can slip that right in here. I love how that fits in there so nicely. And then I'm thinking of one of the sketch pencils. I'm really loving my blue stuff right now, but I feel like the little black stuff looks so cute in here all together. Let's see, we'll take the black fountain pen and pencil, because I do love how thin that point is on the pencil. And this is my piston one, so I know that is just gonna have plenty of ink for me. Let's put them at the top here. I kind of like that idea better. Oh, definitely at the top there. And then I have, nope, we're good on all those. Okay, these are the ones. These are the go-to I'm taking with me. And I have that. And then let me come down here with you guys a little bit. Okay, so, and then I also have in my handbag my Passport Traveler's Notebook, which I also have a fountain pen with me. And so I have a different color, like a warmer tone. And then this is like one of my blue grays or blue green inks. I believe it is this one here. Yeah, let's see. Oh, of course, I'm trying to get that to focus for you guys. Oh, come on. It really wants to give me a hard time. Focus. There we go. Okay, one of my very favorites. Must. Absolute must, must, must. And my other favorite is, let's see here. Put this in. It is, oh my gosh, deep sea green. And let's see if you could see that right there. There you go. So good. It's kind of like a blue green. And this one I feel is kind of like a blue gray. They are just wonderful. Okay, and then I want to take, I feel like I want to put a little paint, a little mini art toolkit demi in here. Now, this isn't watercolor paper, but the Midori can handle it. It's not like I'm going to do a whole painting project or sketch out, so it will be fine. Okay, let's do that. I could actually put a pocket size one in there. Okay, I think that's great. And what else should I bring with me? I don't know. Usually I have this nice and filled and packed. I don't know, maybe I just go less is more. maybe less is more sometimes. I have a little hard time with less is more. Oh, look, let's maybe add this. This is cute. My little mini Sarasa, zebra Sarasa. Oh, I got this like so forever long ago. It came with like a special little order. I don't know, is that really necessary? Might be good to have. Okay, and then this is from Beam Paints. It is a lovely little brush. It is just perfect for the job at hand. Okay, I'm gonna say yes to the Sarasa clip also. And then put that in there. That is my go-to little travel. My son, when he saw this, he said, "Oh, is that your little Indiana Jones case?" I said, "Yes, actually, it is my little special Indiana Jones case that I keep myself special." He's like, "Oh, wow." My boys are quite comical. They're in their like mid-20-ish, and no girls, but boy, they do get quite the little kick out of all of my things, and they come up with some really funny little things and sayings for my stuff. But okay, so it's my little Indiana Jones case. I think that's perfect. It looks like I'm off on an adventure, and that is what I am. A little adventure, creating, journaling, and just giving me that little freedom to just have some fun. Sketch out some cute little ideas, draw something up. I have some things I'm thinking about, so that will be perfect just to have a little something with me and a little bit of freedom to enjoy. So I would definitely suggest to pack yourself up a little something that you travel and you keep with you in your handbag or purse or tote bag, whatever it is that you keep along. I do change my things up from time to time, like I can have a little zip pouch or something different, and it kind of changes up the feel and stuff for you. But right now, this has been my little go-to for a while, and I love to change out the items, and sometimes I stick with them for a long time, but it is really nice. And I would definitely say I encourage you to keep some little creative goodness with you that you can take out and create for a moment or to pass some little time when you're out. So thank you as always for joining me, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a little like. I have some little suggestion videos here for you that you might like to see, or I have lots of others for you to enjoy. So I'll see you soon.